Hi, welcome to Improve Better Daily. In love, women who invest deeply often make a common mistake. They tend to pour all their heart and soul into a man. They try everything to please him, but the reality is, the deeper the love, the deeper the hurt. The most effective way to capture a man's heart isn't to cater to his desires but to enchant him. Ladies, instead of focusing on men, focus on yourselves. Your happiness should be your priority. Pay attention to your appearance. Your outfit, posture, and grooming are like your business card, showcasing your quality of life and mental state. Don't neglect your image management, regardless of your age. Invest effort in your career. The perception of women by men has evolved. Women are no longer confined to traditional roles. More and more women are outperforming their male counterparts in various fields. Be an inspiration. Pursue your own goals and live for yourself, not for others. Whether married or single, never abandon your career. Maintain your financial independence. This not only grants you freedom but also adds to your charm. Invest in your lifestyle. Your love for life enhances your beauty. Take care of your diet and cooking. Experiment with nutritious recipes, making meals a joy rather than a chore. Dress appropriately, not necessarily in designer clothes but in outfits that suit you. Maintain a clean and comfortable living space. Your home should reflect your taste and bring you joy. Lastly, explore the world. Don't confine your entire life to one city. The world is vast and diverse. Travel, experience different cultures, and broaden your horizons. Your life will be more fulfilling. Relationships are like gambling. There's no guarantee of return for your investment. Smart women don't waste their limited time endlessly pleasing men. Cherish your love, but exercise restraint. Instead of putting all your focus on a man, invest your time and energy in yourself. I wish you grow more outstanding and attractive. That concludes this sharing session. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this article, please share it with your friends, leave comments, and like it. At Here, you're never alone.